Look at Pepe. We're going to take a look at this chart here and see if this correction is over and where this thing could be headed next. Alright, first off, I do want to show you Bitcoin over here. We got a Popcat trade over there in Discord. The thing is breaking out nicely, looking good. Was going to take a Bitcoin long right after it broke this resistance right here. This on a 12-hour. Let's zoom in a little bit on a 4. There you go. You can see that overhead. Let's get rid of that Fibonacci. You can see this overhead resistance line right here. Was going to jump in right on a break of that, but went with a Popcat trade instead. The returns were just a little bit better for me on that. We were looking for a pullback right around 90,600. This thing bounced right about 90,740, somewhere around there. Alright, so about $100 off. Have gotten a pretty decent run here. Alright, this has broken back in to a support line. You have this yellow support line coming up down here. It's broke right back into it. Alright, one area I am watching very closely is up here on the 12-hour. Alright, right up here. This one right there, about 97,350, right through here. Okay, so that could be an area you could get a rejection from. Alright, we're going to keep a very close eye on that. Put a fib on here. We're right back up into them retracement levels, the 618 and the 702. So keep an eye on this thing. We get rejected up here, and this could be a big A, B, C. You know, maybe down towards this level down here, the second level we were looking for. We just have to wait and see. You know, if we got rejected right where it's at, that would take us almost down there perfectly. 87.6, 87.3. Yeah, so we'll see what happens here, but it is back into a support line here, and we'll see if it can hold this area or not. All right, let's get back over here to Pepe. Yeah, if you want to join the Discord, sign up for a level 3 membership, guys. It's only $15. You would have made your money back just on this Popcat trade this morning. I'm up over 100% on that trade already, and it's got a long ways to go yet. So that's a level 3 membership. Get you over 10 hours of videos, teach you how to start charting, and a link to the Discord. All right, now in Pepe here, you can see it broke out. This overhead resistance right here, it broke out of it, came back down, retested, and went over here now. And you can also see it's broken. Let's get this Fibonacci off here real quick. It has also broken this, had another resistance line right over top of it, right down through here. Alright, and it's broken out of it now. You can see the break of resistance right here. So Pepe is definitely going to get going here. It did an ABC right in here. How do we know that? Well, you can measure it out. Okay, take your Fibonacci right to there, came right up here to a 702, bring our A wave and put it down on top of B, and that'll give us a C wave target, which was right up at the top of that wick, right down there. Alright, so you can see A, B, C completed. Should be heading to the upside. Alright, no financial advice, not a financial advisor. That is something I don't do, but you can see a clean break of resistance. Alright, it broke it twice here, and this thing is going to start moving now. Targets. Alright, what I would be watching for, what I'm watching for overall on this thing, if you come out on a weekly, alright, this looks like a fourth wave pullback right here, and usually fourth waves are ABCs, and that's exactly what we had in here. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and possibly a fifth wave to the upside. So a target for that, you know, if it gets up there, a target for that would be, take your Fibonacci, and we're going with a 1618 extension here, right, which is actually up, it's up higher than this. Let's put our box up here. Alright, sometimes they don't make it the whole way to the 1618, you know, so somewhere right, we'll go right about in the middle there. You know, I'd be looking for it to come up somewhere in this zone up here. As long as it gets through this area first, alright? It's going to have to get through the 618, 702 Fibonacci levels here. So if we zoom in, we can get a price on them. That is the first area of concern here, all right, at 2274 and 2346. And then ultimately the last one, 2418. You want to see a clear break of them three levels, and it should be heading up to this target up here, the 1618. Now the RSIs, the weekly, let's take a look and see where it's at. The weekly RSI is still bullish, 91 and 86, but it is getting towards the top there. All right, your daily is reset. Looks absolutely phenomenal. Look at that nice big daily candle on this thing. Break of the resistance line, and this thing's starting to go. The 12-hour, pretty much all the altcoins, the RSIs are in the same exact spot. 12-hour is reset. The 8-hour looks good. Yeah, they're all looking pretty darn good. You know, makes me think if Bitcoin, you know, either has quite a bit left in the tank, or Bitcoin dominance is going to end up rolling over here. All right, if we take a look at that Bitcoin dominance, we've been talking about that for probably a year now on this channel. Once it gets to the 618 Fibonacci, we were looking for to see that thing get rejected up here, and it has. All right, 58.5. If we go out in a monthly, look at that red candle. As soon as it got to that 618, right up here, right there, okay, 618 fib level, it got up there. Like I said, we've been talking about this forever, since way back down here. I mean, it's been quite a while, longer than that. Then that's August of 23. Right over here, April and May of last year, right here when I started my channel. I've been talking about it since then. It's finally gotten up here, and look at the monthly RSI. Look how oversold this is. Look at that. It is going to roll over and crash and burn. It's at an 85 and a 95, and overall we have a target for it down here in the 20-some percentile area, way down here, and that is perfectly normal. That's a 50-some% drop, and that's what it's had in the past over here and over here in 2017, 2018, 2021. You can see back here in 2021, this is 2019 actually, hit the 618, rolled over, hit the 618 again in 2021, rolled over, and we're back at that 618 again. Alright, that's tends to be where, once it breaks this support line, that's when we're going to have our massive alt season. That's when it will officially kick in. Alright, so have a great day, everybody. Please hit that like and subscribe. Consider signing up for that level 3 membership. Come over there and trade with us. We'd love to have you over there. We have over 200 people in the group. Got some really good great traders in there, in fact. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.